When it comes to robot vacuums, lately I've been asking a different question because it's not whether a robot vacuum can clean, but it's whether it can actually clean properly the first time. Now, that leads me to assume that cleaning your floors is not the annoying part, but rather having to clean them again. This is the MOVA P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2, and instead of just stacking features, this is built around one idea, which is getting everything done in one pass: vacuuming, mopping, edge cleaning, and even cleaning its own mop, so you're not going back and fixing what it missed. When I started using this, I didn't test it on the clean floors. I used it on the real situations like hair, crumbs, kitchen mess, because this is where most robots really fall apart because they either spread the dirt around and leave things behind, and they don't really get the job done properly. And what makes it different is the suction power, because it can actually finish the job. It has 26,000 pascals of suction powered by a high-speed motor, but what matters is not the numbers, is that it actually picks things up in one pass. Hair doesn't get pushed around, crumbs don't get left behind, and that's what reduces the need to go back over the areas.
Start charging. Start auto empty.
It also has a mop that cleans itself properly, and this is where most robots fail because they mop, but the mop itself gets dirty, so you're basically just spurting the dirty water.
Start cleaning mop pads.
But this uses the 100 degrees Celsius hot water mop cleaning system, so it's actually washing the mop with heat, breaking down the stains, reducing the bacteria, and keeping it clean throughout the process. When it comes to the edges, this is where things usually get missed, but in this one we have an edge cleaning that actually reaches, and this uses a system that extends the brush and the mop outward to reach along the walls and tight spaces, so instead of leaving a thin line of dust along the edges, it actually cleans into those areas. Now, the navigation, I noticed that it keeps it very efficient because it uses the laser-based mapping and obstacle detection, so it moves through your space in a structured way instead of randomly bumping around, which means less overlap and fewer missed areas. And after every self-cleaning cycle, it dries the mop automatically, so you're not dealing with a wet, smelly pad later, and that's one of those things that you don't think about until you've used a robot that doesn't do it. I think this is gonna be a great tool if you deal with pet hair. Now, I don't have a pet, but if you do, this is usually where most robots tend to struggle because the hair gets tangled or pushed around. I was using human hair, but it still picks it up cleanly in one pass. Also, if you spill any drinks, sauces, small debris, instead of spreading it, it vacuums and mops in a way that actually clears it. It's also great for the edge and corners, so you don't get that leftover line along the wall, which is one of the most common issues with robot cleaners. And it's also great for daily cleaning because this is what matters most. You're not checking behind it or running it again. It just finishes the job. So I think if you want just the set it and forget it type of system, or you got pets, kids, frequent messes, or you're just tired of going back over areas manually, this may be one of the great choices that you should consider, but it might not be convenient if you prefer the manual cleaning or you just don't want a full vacuum and mop automation system in your house. So what this does well is remove the need for rework because it's not about the cleaning power, it's about cleaning completely, so you don't have to step in right after, and that's what actually saves time. All right, guys, this is the MOVA app, and inside of the app, you're gonna be able to see everything, such as the charging status is on 100% currently. And once you enter here, you'll have more settings, and this is already the apartment mapped out. And you can customize, set the no-go areas, you can rename the rooms, and you can also choose either start cleaning now, and it will do auto cleaning. You can select by room. You can select it all the apartment, or you can just do zone cleaning. And at that point is depending, let's say you spilled something here, you can just simply do a little square where the area was and it will clean it. You want to do 1 time, 2 cycles, or 3 cycles. You can also do some of the settings here in the dock. It tells you the water tank, tells you that it's clean, the used water, I haven't used it, the detergent is there, and the dust bag is good. So it does have the auto empty, the wash and mop, and the dry mop. This is the map that you already mapped out your apartment. You can set the room partition, cleaning order, many of the great options that you can just simply add to your liking. So if you're looking for something that doesn't just clean but actually finishes the job in one go, the MOVA P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 is worth checking out. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe if you want to support the channel. Thank you guys for watching. We have an exclusive link in the description below so you can check it out. Stay tuned for more content. We'll be back on the next video.